What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Velo, which has hit a huge green candlestick guys, which can only mean one thing: it has pumped up over 40% in the last 24 hours, currently trading just below the 1 cent target. So we're going to be going through what is next for Velo, why has it pumped up so much. Is it going to keep pumping, potentially heading past the 1 cent target over the coming hours, and looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024? What can we expect? How high can it go? And mainly looking at, is this a crypto still worth investing into in 2024? And looking at, is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Velo, which is here in purple at 0.006 cents. However, the crypto right now is trading at a much higher value than the SMA indicator, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. However, due to the major difference between the two values here, the crypto may slightly be overvalued right now and may be in for a little bit of a dip over the coming hours and days, but we will get into that shortly. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected from Velo over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by midday to tomorrow afternoon, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, which again, I do not agree with 100%. Reason is, yes, I'm expecting it to hit more green candles over the coming hours, potentially heading past the 1 cent target before it slowly starts to hit red candles in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, dropping back down in value below 0.009 cents is what I'm expecting Velo to be trading at by midday to afternoon time tomorrow. But again, in between that time, do expect it to be quite volatile with both green and red candles. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we've got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction once again, and they're not looking too steep either, meaning an overall increase in value is again expected from Velo over the next 7 to 8 days. So by mid to end of next week, the crypto should be trading, according to the graph, at a higher value than where it is at the moment. However, as I explained earlier, the crypto from my prediction right now is overvalued and is likely to step back down in value over the coming week or so, dropping back down below 0.007 cents in value is where I'm expecting Velo to be trading at by mid to end of next week. So going through quite a drop from where it is at the moment, so do expect majority of the days over the next week or so to be red, meaning an overall drop is what I'm expecting at the moment. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now we're looking way too steep guys. We've got both the blue and the orange now looking very bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and looking way too steep, meaning this is not realistic at all. Reason is looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last 48 hours. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the coming week or so, over the coming 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late May. Again, that's not what I'm expecting. I'm not expecting a major bull run or a price pump, but yes, I'm expecting it to head around the 1 cent target is where I'm expecting Velo to be trading at by mid to late May 2024. In between that time, over the coming week or two, it is likely to go for a price correction, dropping down to 0.006 cents in value before slowly starting to hit green candles in April, May, and potentially June, heading towards the 1 cent target is what I'm expecting. But before that, do expect a price correction. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we've got quite a long way to get out of the red zone here. To hit into the green zone, we need to hit over 2 cents in value, which I'm not expecting from Velo anytime soon. So majority of the year, it is likely to hover around just over the 1 cent target, and majority or most of the year it will be stuck in the red zone as well, because for it to get out of the red zone, it will require a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting from Velo anytime soon. So yes guys, we are going to be stuck in the red zone for now. So heading back into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up near about 400% in the last 24 hours, making it just under $59 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason is quite obvious: the crypto has pumped up crazy over the last day and over the week, 59%, but majority of the pump did come from yesterday afternoon to and this morning as well, as you guys can clearly see here. Over the month, it is up 80%. So yes, overall it is on the green side. However, in between that time, it has taken quite of a dip, guys. Again, as I mentioned earlier, I am expecting it to go for a price correction over the coming week or two before it slowly starts to hit green candles for majority of April and May. And yes, with the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, we should see a major change in the crypto market, which I will keep you guys updated on as much as I can as well. But at the moment, yes guys, this is my take on Velo. So those of you guys who are looking to invest into it right now, I would make sure my risk management is on point, because I'm expecting it to dip back down. But again, it also depends if you're in it for the short term or the long term trade. So can Velo hit 10 cents in 2024? I've seen a lot of comments online, commenting that, guys, for it to hit 10 cents, it's going to have to go for a crazy percentage increase, which I'm not expecting from Velo, at least for the next 2 to 3 years, guys. So no, I'm not expecting Velo to hit 10 cents at the moment. But let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot, and it means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.